Class second. Today we'll start block 9, and in this block we will learn about animals that lay eggs. In this block we will learn an egg has 3 parts, the different stages in the hen's life cycle, butterfly's life cycle, and frog's life cycle. Okay, so the first is lesson 1 is parts of an egg. So many animals such as hens, ducks, parrots, pigeons, snakes and lizards lay eggs. Eggs of most animals have the same parts. Okay, this is the picture of an egg. So there are 3 parts of an egg. The first part is this, second part is this, and third one this. Okay, so let's learn about each part. So the first part is shell. Okay, shell is the outer cover of the egg, and its function is it protects the inner parts of the egg and gives shape to the egg. Second part is albumen. Albumen is white jelly like thing inside the egg shell. Okay, so albumen is the white jelly-like thing found inside the shell, and its function is it protects the yolk. It also provides nutrition to the yolk. And third part is yolk. Is the yellow innermost part of the egg, and its function is it grows into a young one. Okay, so these are the 3 parts of an egg: shell, albumen and yolk. Okay, next is lesson 2, life cycle of hen. Life cycle of hen: the changes that living things go through in their life as they develop in a life cycle. Different animals have different stages in their life cycles. So the life cycle of a hen has 3 stages. Okay, there are 3 stages in the life cycle of a hen, and these 3 stages are: the first stage is egg. Okay, you can see this. This is the first stage. In this stage, the mother hen lays eggs. Okay, now this is the second stage, chick. In this stage, the mother hen then sits on the eggs. It keeps the eggs warm until young chicks hatch out of the eggs. So what is the meaning of hatch? Hatch means to break an egg so a baby animal can come out. Okay, and the third stage is adult hen. Okay, this is the third stage, adult hen. In this stage, a young chick grows into an adult hen. Adult means big. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a hen. Okay, now third is life cycle of a butterfly. So the life cycle of a butterfly has 4 main stages. Right now we have learned about the life cycle of a hen, and the life cycle of hen has 3 main stages, and the life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. Okay, here also the first stage is egg. Okay, the first stage is egg, and in this stage, like the hen, mother butterfly lays many eggs. Okay, in the second stage is caterpillar. Second stage is caterpillar or larva stage. Okay, so this is the picture of caterpillar. In this stage, the egg hatches and grows into a caterpillar. It eats leaves and flowers and grows very fast. Okay, caterpillar eats leaves and flowers and grows very fast. This is the third stage now, pupa. In this stage, the caterpillar wraps itself into a cocoon. Cocoon means a silky wrap that a caterpillar makes with its saliva. Okay, so in the third stage, a caterpillar wraps itself in a cocoon and turns into a pupa. It remains inactive. Inactive means not showing any activity. So in this stage, the caterpillar remains inactive during this stage and it doesn't even eat. Okay, so this is the third stage. Now the last stage. The last stage is adult butterfly, and in this stage, after a few days, the pupa turns into a butterfly. Okay, the caterpillar comes out from the cocoon in the form of a butterfly. Okay, so mostly young ones of animals look the same as the adult. Just like you can see, the chick of hen is just like hen, right? But the young one of a butterfly looks different at every stage of its life cycle. Yes, you can see in the first stage caterpillar, it is completely different from a butterfly, then a pupa, and then a butterfly. So the young one of a butterfly looks different at every stage of its life cycle. Butterflies attach their eggs to leaves with a special glue. Okay, this is the fact that butterflies attach their eggs to leaves with a special glue. It means they lay eggs on the leaves. Okay, next is the life cycle of a frog. Okay, the life cycle of a frog has 5 main stages. Okay, so students, the life cycle of a hen has 3 main stages, the butterfly has 4 main stages, and the frog has mainly 5 stages. Okay, first stage is egg. Okay, in this stage the mother frog lays eggs in water, right? So in all the animals, they lay eggs. Hen lay eggs, but the places are different. Hen lays eggs on the ground, butterfly lays eggs on the leaves, and frogs lays eggs in water. Okay, the second stage is tadpole. Okay, the eggs hatch and tadpoles come out of them. They have tails and gills. What is the meaning of gills? So students, gills are breathing organs in water animals. Okay, just like we have lungs for breathing, water animals are having gills. Okay, not all, but mostly. Okay, so the third stage is tadpole with legs. The third stage is tadpole with legs. In this stage, the tadpoles grows two legs. Okay. Now the fourth stage is young frog or froglet. The tadpole develops into a young frog with 4 legs and a tail. But you can see the size of tail is decreased now in this stage. Hai na? Now the fifth stage is, and the last stage is adult frog. The young frog grows to become an adult frog with no tail. Okay, this is adult frog and this is young frog. Okay, so the young one of a frog looks different at every stage of its life cycle. Just like butterfly, frogs also looks different at every stage of its life cycle. Okay, students, there is a fact about frog is the frog starts its life cycle in water and completes it on land. Okay, so this is all about this vlog. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.